headed down to San Francisco for the Labor Day weekend show. And I got my hush puppies on. I guess I never was meant for glitter, rock and roll. Now, honey, I didn't know that I'd be missing you so. Come Monday, it'll be alright. Come Monday, I'll be home.